Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and I have my trusty sidekick here with me, Harrietta. She's hanging out because she heard me start up the stove and she knows it's yum times. Anywho, I have here 4 russet potatoes that I washed, and now I'm going to rub some olive oil, give them a bit of a pokey poke with a knife, each one of them, and then I'm going to rub each one with some olive oil, and I'm going to put some salt and pepper on them. And my oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm doing a different angle here. I thought I'd change things up a bit and do a different angle. Why not? Change it up a bit. Why don't I? And I might like this angle actually. I'm gonna clean hands. Ooh, that's a lot of olive oil. I got some more washed potatoes. I'm gonna do another one or two. These are smaller. I'm only gonna probably you'll see. Just hang in there. Just hang in there, folks. Hang in there. Wash my hands. I gotta poke those ones that I just did. Pepper. Potatoes need their salt. Alrighty. This is sort of like something that'd be different maybe for your taco night. That's what I have in mind anyway. So I'm waiting for the oven. Got a few minutes there. How is everyone? How have you been? Excuse me, Harrietta. Excuse me, puppy. And you want them to be fork tender. 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to grate like a cup to 2 cups of this, probably a cup and a half. I got this kind for what I'm making today. There's some cheese in here already. That's okay, I'll use it with this. I am going to start frying up a pound of ground beef. I know, honey, I know. You're making me feel guilty. I don't have any for you, sweetheart. Wash my hands. When you're cooking beef, you'll hear that the moisture in it, and then you'll start, when the moisture's cooked out of it, like the water's cooked out of it, you'll start to hear it actually like have like a crackling, frying sound from the fat that's in it. So sometimes we strain it too early, like thinking that there's a lot of fat on it, and you strain it. But it's a lot of water and stuff, so you gotta let the water cook out and evaporate, then fry it up in its own fat for a while, for a little bit, to build some flavor, and then if it's excess grease in it, then strain it. I want all pink out of it. Okay, the pink is cooked out of it. I'm gonna add package of taco seasoning mix. And my can of tomatoes, and then I'll break up my tomatoes in there. Poke them first, so they don't explode when I'm squishing them. I find if I poke them, they don't explode. So I want to simmer this for a few minutes. So we'll let that simmer for like 15 minutes on low-ish heat. Check it for salt or pepper or whatever, and season it to your taste. I'll be back. Still a bit more time in the potatoes. Let's check on these potatoes. That's good. Good. And put these in for a couple more minutes. The 4 larger ones. They've been on for like 45 minutes and 50 minutes, and those ones need another 5-6 minutes. I'm gonna let these cool a bit. I cut the tops off the small ones because they're too small to cut in half to have proper boats. And I scooped out the inside. I scooped out the potato. These ones are bigger, so I'm just slicing them in half. They're still quite hot. I don't want to scoop out so much that the potato skin can't, I don't want it to lose its integrity. I don't want to scrape too much out. But some, for sure. 75%. I'll show you what I put in. I added some butter, milk, cheese, and bacon bits to this here mixture. My oven is still on. That looks all right. That looks all right. I put like a cup of cheese, a little bit of milk, a bit of butter. Might need more milk. Okay. Now, I'm going to top them with green onion and sour cream after. Can you see all right? I hope so. Okay. Altogether, I used 3 cups of grated cheese, beginning to end for the whole recipe. Sometimes if you want to show off the meat, you put the cheese in first. You want to show off the cheese, put it on top, whatever. Whatever. Whatever way you decide. This is 2 cups of cheese. At least. Pop these in the oven. Look at that. But I just want to make up a plate here, show you. Now, it's not time for us to eat, so I'm just doing up the plate just to show you. But I made this before, and let me tell you, it is good. Creamy mashed potatoes with bacon and cheese. Crispy potato skins stuffed with taco meat and tomato, topped with sour cream and chives, and green onion or whatever. Anyway, and a side of beans. So, anyway. Peace, love, God bless. Please come back again. I hope that you're enjoying the videos as much as I'm enjoying making them. And have a great day, everyone. Love you all. Bye.